Hi there, welcome to our channel, where our goal is to entertain and educate at the same time. Let's play a game of Guess the Animal. You will have 5 seconds for each animal. Good luck. Can you guess what this animal is? Sea slug. Ocean slugs are solitary creatures. There are over 3,000 species of the sea slug. They appear in a variety of dazzling color combinations and patterns. Hyena. While hyenas resemble canines and are thought to be a type of wild dog, experts say hyenas are actually more closely related to cat-like mammals than dogs. Cardinal. In some indigenous American beliefs, the sighting of a cardinal foreshadows the delivery of news, whether it is good or bad. Dung beetle. Out of all the insects in existence, the horned dung beetle is the strongest, as it is able to pull 1,141 times its own body weight. Guess the animal. Iguana. The iguana ranges in size from 5 inches to 6.5 feet long. It also varies in color from red and black to green and even powdery blue, depending on the species. Chicken. A chicken can run up to 9 miles per hour and can indeed fly, but only for short distances to escape danger or to reach tree branches to roost. Manatee. Manatees are peaceful and curious animals, and are even known to swim up close to humans seeking pets and belly rubs. Okapi. Like cows and giraffes, okapis have one stomach divided into 4 compartments. Okapi are cautious creatures. Because of their secretive nature, they are often referred to as the African unicorn. Take a good guess. Cockatoo. These are brainy, playful, and high-energy birds. A cockatoo can communicate excitement by raising the crest of feathers on top of its head. Weevil. When a weevil feels threatened, it may play dead by lying motionless on its back. Weevils do not bite or sting and are not considered dangerous to humans. Sugar glider. Sugar gliders are marsupials who have a flap of skin connecting the front and hind legs, allowing them to glide up to 149 feet. Jaguar. Jaguars are recognized by their spots and markings called rosettes. Black jaguars have the same rosettes as any jaguar, but are harder to see due to melanism. Can you guess what this animal is? Sea dragon. Sea dragons are carnivores and are found in the southern and western coasts of Australia. They are a type of pipefish along with seahorses. Sea lion. California sea lions can swim as fast as 25 miles per hour and hold their breath for 10 minutes underwater. They are witty and smart, making them easy to train and very entertaining. Lionfish. Although they bite, have venomous spines and fins, lionfish have become popular aquarium pets. Lionfish can live for 15 years and weigh as heavy as 2.5 pounds. Pangolin. Pangolins have long sticky tongues for eating ants and termites. In fact, a pangolin's tongue is longer than its body. Hummingbird. Not only are hummingbirds speedy and brilliantly colorful, they have outstanding memory. In ancient Mayan belief, hummingbirds symbolized revival and resurrection. Take a good guess. Vinegaroon. Vinegaroons defend themselves by spraying acid that smells like and shares the same chemical components as vinegar, hence their namesake. While they look menacing, vinegaroons are harmless to humans and can actually make an interesting pet. Koala. Aside from humans and primates, koalas have fingerprints, and unlike any other animals on the planet, koalas have unique nose prints too. Pigeon. Pigeons are astonishing because of their presence side by side with humans throughout history. They have been used as messenger birds during World Wars I and II, and they've been utilized for racing and navigation. Dolphin. Dolphins are highly social, energetic and intelligent mammals. They can thrive in saltwater, coastal brackish water and freshwater environments. Can you guess what this animal is? Orangutan. Orangutans are the heaviest tree-dwelling animals, weighing up to 300 pounds or more. Some male orangutans have enlarged cheek pads and throat sacs called flanges, which form due to increased levels of testosterone. Take a good guess. Eel. The life of an eel begins in the ocean as larvae. Then later, as adolescent eels, they migrate to freshwater rivers and lakes where they spend time maturing. Finally, as fully grown eels, they return to the ocean to reproduce and restart the cycle. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers have extra thick skulls and chisel-like beaks. This allows them to peck and drill for many hours without hurting themselves. Tarantula. Tarantulas are known for being the largest spiders in the world. But did you know that the spruce fir moss spider, which is 0.10 to 0.15 inches big, is actually a tiny species of tarantula? This means that tarantulas range from the size of a fingernail to the size of a large dinner plate. Snapping turtle. The two species of snapping turtles are the common snapping turtle and alligator snapping turtle. These creatures have been in existence since the age of dinosaurs and evolved over millions of years into the giant turtles we see today. Can you guess what this animal is? Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are ocean-dwelling creatures that have been on Earth for more than 500 million years. A fun fact is that cuttlefish have 3 hearts. Bison. Even though they weigh about a ton, bisons can jump up to 6 feet, are strong swimmers, and can run 35 miles an hour, faster than the domestic horse. In some indigenous American beliefs, the bison represents courage, abundance, and freedom. Jackal. Jackals have one mate and they will stay together to raise their pups. It is this type of social structure that bonds jackals together and ensures their survival. Puffin. Puffins are brightly marked seabirds found along European Atlantic coast. Puffins dive 30 to 60 meters into the ocean for their meals. That is almost 200 feet deep. Can you guess this animal? Praying mantis. The praying mantis is a carnivorous insect known for its elegant prayer-like stance. These elite predators of the bug world only eat their food live. The mantis makes for a fascinating pet. Starfish. Starfish are marine invertebrates and technically are not fish. Sea stars extract oxygen from ocean water through their skin, eliminating the need for a cardiovascular system. They do not have blood nor a heart. Ladybug. Ladybugs are spotted beetles that come in various colors. Old European tales indicate that ladybugs represent good luck. If you catch a ladybug, close your eyes and make a wish before letting it go. Rat. Rats are empathetic and social creatures and are able to remember other rats and humans who have showed them kindness. They have incredibly strong teeth and can chew through lead and bricks. Take a good guess. Heron. Herons are mighty avian hunters found all over the planet. There are 64 species of heron. The great blue heron is around 4.5 feet tall, with a wingspan of 6 feet. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are the closest relative to human beings. In fact, we share 95 to 98% of the same DNA. Chimps are intuitive and routinely use tools to make their lives easier. Polar bear. Polar bears are the largest of all bears and the largest land carnivores. Polar bears live in solitude but will occasionally spend time with groups of others if there is a meal large enough for all to partake in. Turkey. Turkeys are strapping birds native to the Americas. They were once sought after for their delightful tail feathers, and in modern time, they are popularly associated with the holiday of Thanksgiving in the US. Moth. Moths are masters of disguise and can alter their appearance to mimic predators in order to stay safe. If you admire moths and want them to draw near, try attracting them with light bulbs, beer, or bananas. Can you guess what this animal is? Lobster. Lobsters are muscular crustaceans with 2 huge claws. The clamping pressure of a lobster's claw is 100 pounds per square inch. Records show that the oldest lobster to live in captivity reached 140 years old. Angelfish. Angelfish were named so because of the way light beautifully reflects from their shimmering scales. Because of their ornamental appearance and peaceful temperament, angelfish make great aquarium pets. Blue jay. Blue jays are social songbirds native to North America. They are closely related to crows and ravens. Blue jays are able to imitate a variety of other birds such as hawks, owls, and eagles. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers listen through tympanic membranes in their abdomens. They have 5 eyes that can look in all directions at once. For insect lovers, grasshoppers make simple and tameable pets. Guess the animal. Armadillo. Armadillos are barrel-shaped animals covered in natural armor made of keratin. When armadillos give birth, the pups will always be either 4 males or 4 females. Contrary to popular belief, not all species of armadillos can roll themselves into a ball. Sloth. Sloths are endearingly sluggish creatures who move so slowly that their hair is often covered in an array of moss, fungi, and algae. Sloths have poor eyesight and cannot jump. On land, they can move just 15 feet in 1 minute. Hammerhead shark. Did you know there are 9 known species of hammerhead sharks, and their head shapes vary from rounded and scalloped to extra long and rectangular? The offspring of hammerheads are called pups. Bat. These are the only flying mammal which came into existence nearly 50 million years ago. Bats are beneficial to the environment, as they control pests and aid in pollination of fruits such as mangoes and avocados. Can you guess this animal? Stag beetle. Male stag beetles use their jaws mainly to wrestle one another when battling for a mate. Interestingly, once a pair of stag beetles are done mating, the male beetle grips the female with his jaws and tosses her out of the tree. Ocelot. Ocelots dwell in rainforests and can weigh up to 35 pounds. In ancient Aztecan culture, the ocelot was worshipped as a slayer of giants. Sun bear. The sun bear is a rare bear species and the smallest species of all bears. Native to South and Southeast Asia, sun bears are the only tropical bears. If you enjoyed this video, Please like, share and subscribe. Feel free to share any feedback as we are always looking for ways to improve our videos.